Fellas, does your girl give you energy? Does she let in those positive vibes? Does she got that skinny top but wide bottom? And most importantly, do you love when she throws that in a circle? I hate to break it to you guys, but that ain't your girl. It's actually ATP synthase giving you energy throughout the day and letting you get stuff done.
Terrifying ocean animals you might actually run into. The bobbit worm. This thing is absolutely terrifying. It gets to about 10 feet long sometimes. It is a bunch of razor sharp mouth parts that snap shut, and yeah, basically it hides in the sand and jumps out and kills things, or will bite the shit out of your foot. Sea lamprey, one of the most disturbing looking creatures in the ocean, and it doesn't have any jaws, but it has a bunch of razor sharp teeth that kind of look like corn kernels, and what it does is it latches onto your skin, slices through your flesh, and then sucks out your blood. Blue ribbon tail stingray, it's really cute looking, but don't be fooled. One wrong step and that spine will be right through your foot, impaled through your hand, or into your leg. Despite land snails being absolutely cute and innocent, this thing has a razor sharp harpoon filled with venom that could probably kill you in under 10 minutes, so yeah. The great barracuda, one of the largest predatory fish in the entire ocean, and very well known for killing all of Nemo's unborn brothers and sisters. Scorpion fish, it's related to the stonefish and the lionfish, and yeah, basically he blends into everything perfectly, so it's really hard to not stomp on his razor sharp spines that will go.
Ada kau mau pernah dengar bunyi udang tak? Kita ada footage udang kat sini. Cuba awak try kuatkan volume, dengar sebuah sound dia. Tak dengar eh? Lagi sekali try. Ni footage dekat sikit, dah zoom sikit ni. Try dengar lagi. Dengar. Tak dengar kan? Sebab udang tak ada bunyi. Kecuali ada satu jenis udang yang ada. Okey, udang dia tak ada bunyi sebab dia tak ada tekak macam kita. Tapi ada binatang yang walaupun tak ada tekak, dia boleh berbunyi disebabkan benda lain. Contohnya udang ni mantis shrimp, dan juga udang ni pistol shrimp. Bunyi dia pelik sikit. Dia hasilkan bunyi dengan ketit kan. Dengar. Lagi sekali. Pak.
I forgot to charge my phone, so my phone's like at 17%. Hopefully we can get through this video. I'm in. This water bottle is bigger than my face. My dog is looking at me weird. There's something in my nose. Whee! Someone turned their camera on. No one turns their camera on in this class. I'm sad I win. Why are you smelling my laundry? Did I tell you I'm in biology? I'm in biology.
Alright, what is going on 7th period? Way over on the far side of the pool where the little kids pee and stuff. Don't ever go in those little swimming pools.
Please don't be a color I've already used. I've already used you. Okay, I'm gonna do my notes. Fancy transition. What? Bam. Notes are done. I'm done with biology. I need a towel.
I learned something fun in class and I want to share it. Okay, so we're learning about epigenetics, and that's basically epi is on top of and genetics is genes. So on top of your genes. And this is like the little stuff that is in your life that gets put into your cells, into your genetics, into your being. For example, like the descendants of people in the Irish potato famine are generally heavier because they have the feeling that they need to be eating all the time because their family was in famine. Their family members literally left them notes on their genetics to say, hey, eat because you don't know when you're going to have food. Which is insane. We literally have our ancestors talking to us through our genes. But here's one of the fun examples. So we're going over a real case study, and it's about this lady who has this phobia of small metal spaces, specifically elevators. She has no history with like bad things happening in elevators. She's just afraid of them. Many family interviews later, we find out that her grandpa was in a train wreck. He'd never told anyone he'd internalized that. And it had come up in her. His train wreck was her phobia.
I guess I'm just too tough to cry.
I'm headed straight for the floor.
I have an idea.
What's your idea?
You should be.
I'm not gonna be Mercy.
You should be Mercy.
I'm not gonna be any kind of support.
This
deeply unsettling to me just how pervasive this idea is. I was taught this as a kid, and I grew up very, very poor, so it might have had something to do with the fact that we didn't want to waste anything, but still, no, you cannot just cut off the moldy bits and the rest of the food is fine. Mold is not a plant, it's a fungus. It grows in a totally different way. So the fruiting bodies that you see, the white, green, blue, whatever parts, those are just sort of like the flowers of the mold. The roots of the mold, which are what we call hyphae, yes, that's actually the word, are spread all throughout the rest of the food thing. So even if you cut off the colorful parts, the rest of the food is still full of mold. And every single cell of that is producing mycotoxins, which are the particular kind of toxins that mold produce, and those can mess you up. So please, do not just cut off the moldy chunk, throw the whole thing away. It is worth your time to buy a new sandwich instead of going to the hospital because you wanted to eat the half moldy one. It's the grossest thing you can do. Please don't do this.